So you see it, we're out here in the Long Beach, Ballast Point, got the palm trees, ocean breeze. And we're about to hit up this Ballast Point, see how it is. Never been here before, only been to one SD. Let's see how good this one is.
Oh, you are so cool. Oh,
Nice. Ballast Point. There was no room in here to sit down, but it had a really nice balcony and outdoor seating area, so we just came in here to enjoy our Ballast beers on tap. Tell them what you got, Sam.
I'm really into like stouts and like dark, rich type of beers. So right here I have the Victory at Sea. It's one of Ballast Point's like more like favorite like hey what's up? More favorite like
check out my glasses, guys.
Stuff. There you go.
My glasses just broke.
Dan, what did you get?
I haven't.
What was it that you got?
I got the California something. I'm more of a light beer drinker.
Yeah.
This is more of a lighter beer.
Yeah.
I like that. Pale, blonde, you know what I mean? But let's see how it tastes. I like the ambience in here.
It's nice.
Atmosphere is nice.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
There's a lot of TVs, games around.
Yeah, a lot of people too.
Yeah, I like this location a lot. The sea is just right outside.
It is. It is.
But let's see how the beer tastes.
There you go.
Cheers. Cheers.
Part 2. Delicious, as always. As always. Ballast Point never disappoints. If you guys like beer and you guys live in the Long Beach area, you guys probably already know that this is a staple area, a staple place.
Nice and starchy, a bit sweet, a little tangy.
Yeah.
It's good, it's good.
Yeah, mine's very rich. Very, very rich. It's like not for the typical beer drinker. It depends on if you like stouts or not. It's very bitter, dry, and malty, but it's good. Hoppy.
Salute. Colts. The word is Colts. That's what it's called. Totally forgot the name. But yeah, it's nice and weedy.
Yeah, he was debating. He was trying to figure it out. Where'd you go?
It's like 5.5%.
Oh, you took a shit?
Good. Alright, we're about to get his review. Beer review right now. How do you like it?
Tastes like beer. Tastes good.
I'll give you a
It's the watermelon Dorado. It tastes like beer.
I'll give you a review.
Alright, this is the watermelon Dorado, the strongest beer in the house. I'm about to try it too. It's 10%.
Strongest versus the weakest right now.
Yeah. But fruity.
Very dry, but it's fruity at the same time.
Yeah. Not really hoppy either. It's good.
I don't really taste the watermelon in there though.
You don't?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
It's a very dry beer with a little hint of fruitiness.
There you go.
This is the Victory at Sea. It's 10%. I'm not really an IPA drinker, but I'm gonna try this.
Try it. It's rich. It's good.
Oh my gosh, it tastes like coffee.
It does.
It literally tastes like a coffee beer.
Coffee and vanilla.
Then I'm gonna try my California Colts.
Yeah, so this is the Colts.
We're trying to be a beer connoisseurs, but
we are beer connoisseurs.
We're running out of adjectives because we're not really that heavy beer drinkers. But
yeah,
trying to give you guys a good review on Ballast Point.
Okay, really sweet, not really hoppy. Well, there's a little hops in there. I guess you can say it has like a
weedy, huh?
It's weedy, yeah, kind of like a grain, very grainy, but it's good. I like it.
Yeah, but overall, Ballast Point has pretty popular beers in general. It's a pretty popular brewery around here in Southern California, so yeah. This place is dope. Alright guys, that was a short little foodie vlog at Ballast Point. We didn't really drink that many beers, so I can't give you guys an accurate analysis on how good the beers are, but either way, really like the ambience in there, the vibes, it had a nice atmosphere, it was very clean, it was cool, they had a balcony, outside views, and yeah, we're about to leave now. So like this video, and what else guys?
Comment, rate, subscribe, Dan vs.
Yeah, Dan vs. World.